everyone! Welcome to Leader Laboratories. This video will bring you compatibility testing between Leader solar connectors and other brands. First, Leader solar connector is a high-quality connector, mainly used for cable connection in solar photovoltaic systems. It needs to have good waterproofing, important features such as corrosion resistance and UV resistance. Past international certifications such as T, UV or ULE ready. As of 2023, our product's participation in the construction of photovoltaic power stations has reached a scale of 35 gigawatts plus. The long-term stability and reliability of connectors have received unanimous praise from customers. LT is the fundamental connection to the safe and stable operation of photovoltaic systems. It is a guarantee for the safe operation of photovoltaic systems. If there are compatibility issues with the connector, will have serious consequences for solar energy systems. The testing items including 1. A waterproof compatible test. 2. Resistance compatible test. 3. A mechanical matching compatible test. Waterproof compatible testing. Stably MC4 male. Leader female. Test result. Pass. Dalbury VO2 male. Test result. Pass. Trina TS4 male. Test result. Pass. CSIT4 male. Test result. Pass. Jinko JK03M male. Test result. Pass. TPV for S male. Test result. Pass. Longi LR5 male. Test result. Pass. QC 4.10 male. Test result. Pass. Doblix MC for female. Leader male. Test result. Pass. Dalbury VO2 female. Test result. Pass. Trina TS for female. Test result. Pass. CSIT for female. Test result. Pass. Jinko JK03M female. Test result. Pass. TPV for S female. Test result. Pass. Longi PVLR5 female. Test result. Pass. QC for 0.10 female. Test result. Pass. Two. Resistance compatible test. Leader socket. Trina TS for pin. Trina TS for socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. Leader socket. CSIT for pin. CSIT for socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. Leader socket. Stably MC for pin. Stably MC for socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. Leader socket. Jinko JK03M pin. Jinko JK03M socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. Leader socket. Stably Evo to pin. Stably Evo to socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. Leader socket. TPV for S pin. TPV for S socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. Leader socket. Longi PVL R5 pin. Longi PVL R5 socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. Leader socket. QC for 0.10 pin. QC for 0.10 socket. Leader pin. Test results. Pass. 3. A mechanical matching compatible test. Leader male. Trinity S for female. Leader female. Trinity S for male. Test results. Pass. Leader male. Stably MC for female. Leader female. Stably MC for male. Test results. Pass. Leader male. CSIT for female. Leader female. Stably MC for male. Test results. Pass. Leader male. Jinko JKO3M female. Leader female. Jinko JKO3M male. Test results. Pass. Leader male. Stably Evo to female. Leader female. Stably EVO to male. Test results. Pass. Leader male. Longi PVL R5 female. Leader female. Longi PVL R5 male. Test results. Pass. Leader male. TPV for S female. Leader female. TPV for S male. Test results. Pass. Leader male. QC for 0.10 female. Leader female. QC for 0.10 male. Test results. Pass. Okay, the above is our detailed list on the compatibility test results of leader solar connectors. We can see from the overall test result that the compatibility between leader solar connectors and others brands' products can be perfectly matched for use, stable and reliable. In summary, the results indicate that leader solar connectors are a high-quality type of connector, excellent compatibility and stability. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. The above is all the content of this video. If you have any questions, you can contact me or leave me a message in the comments section. I will answer them one by one. Thank you, everyone.